In today's video, let's watch the amazing art of making a bamboo jhula by hand. The process starts with selecting bamboo poles that are straight, free from cracks, and have a uniform diameter. Next, the poles are cut to the desired lengths for the base, backrest, and seat using handsaw. After cutting, the bamboo sticks are bent and shaped as per layout using heat flames. Now, the assembly starts with binding the frame structure of the jhula by nails and hammer. Here, the back sections of the jhula are constructed from bamboo poles and attached for the main frame. Again, the bamboo sticks are bent to form other components, and the primary layer is removed to deliver a smooth finish. All the components required within the frame structure is assembled to create a design look for the jhula. Also, a thin layer of darker layer is applied on the assembled sticks to deliver a smooth look. In order to create a stronger bond, all parts of the jhula are tied together by bamboo strips. Now, smaller bamboo sticks are used to fill the backrest of the jhula. Here, support sticks are installed on both sides of the backrest design to strengthen the weaved strips in the back. Entire backrest of the jhula is weaved with small sticks, with a wonderfully creative design. Similarly, the seat is made by weaving smaller bamboo strips, supported by the frame. Also, the hanging support of the jhula is also made skillfully. Variety of such Jhula are made here, with different designs and looks. After assembly, a small iron ring is attached on the top, to hang the Jhula through ceiling. Later, the boundaries of the Jhula are covered with the polished bamboo strips, for final finish. At last, the Jhula is varnished, and painted with desired colors.